Ganda ng effects. Kaya nga eh. Ngayon, parang ngayon ko lang nakita yung ganun. Shall we guess? Carlo, shall we po? Thank you, Akis. I am on a whole nother level. Feeling like fuck no because you know. Bago na ata yun. Oh. Tapos yung ano, Eagle. Bago lang din may Eagle. Kanina may nag-send. One of the house we together. Really, you say that you and me gotta be sick of this night. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, you deserve what you've been dancing. Looking at you, I'm thinking enough. Shall we? Babayaro ko. From ano na. Suicide in the drops, trees in a day so fine, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Matagal kasi din nagparamdam si Boss Cram eh. Diba, Boss Cram? Na-busy yata siya. Shall we icons? Asa na si Okix? Okix, nandyan ka pa? Shall we Khalifa? Ang napindot lang. Diyan lang kayo ah. Uy, Okix. Nod ka sa OPT ko ah. Guys, kausapin nyo na sa comment. Sagutin natin yung questions nyo. Shall we send to quit? Hi. Thank you, Boss Cram. Hindi ba talaga Mark yan? Cram ba talaga? Thank you, Boss Cram. Ay, bye agad, send to quit. OA sa bilis.